Okay, fuel pump turned back on. I hear noises like it's trying to fire. Sounds different. Fans blowing. Nothing warm yet. Still nothing warm. Go check the exhaust. I don't want to die of carbon monoxide. Ooh, we definitely have some moving through the exhaust. I'm gonna open up the garage. Make sure this makes it outside. Let's see if this sucker's gonna fire up. Ooh, I feel some warmth. Oh, I feel warmth. Oh, ho, ho, ho. She's warm. Oh, and she's starting to steep up. Oh my gosh, can you hear it? Oh, she's steeping up like a jet engine. Oh, and the heat's getting hot. Oh, she's steeping up. Can you hear that ramping up? You can hear the pump ramping up. There's my pump. It's mounted up underneath the back there of the Argo.